Is rejuvenating set safe for 13 years old person? Yes. Actually, the age in which a person can use rejuvenating set is 13 years old until 60, and it can extend to more. However, you must take into consideration your skin type and condition and genetics. It's always advisable to contact a skin specialist before using rejuvenating set, especially if you're a teenager or above 60 years old. To know why these age limits are estimated for using rejuvenating set, you need to know the skin characteristics in different ages. In addition, you have to know what rejuvenating set does to your skin. Let's talk now about the skin characteristics in different ages. We'll address the skin characteristics and changes in babies, children, teenagers, and in 60s. First, baby skin. A baby's skin is 20% to 30% thinner than adult skin. Babies have lower skin pigmentation and difficulty regulating their body temperature. The outermost layer of the epidermis, the horny layer, is particularly thin and the cells are less tightly packed than in adult skin. Sweat and sebaceous glands are also less active. So skin's hydrolipid film is relatively weak. This means that the barrier function is impaired and baby skin is less resistant, especially sensitive to chemical, physical and microbial influences, prone to drying out, more sensitive to UV. Sensitivity to UV is further enhanced by the fact that babies also have low skin pigmentation. Melanocyte, the cells responsible for melanin production, are present, but less active, and so babies should be kept out of the sun. Babies also have more difficulty regulating their body temperature than adults. This is because the surface area of their body is relatively large. Their sweat glands are less active. Their skin circulation is still quite slow to adapt. Second, children's skin. By the age of 4, skin has matured slightly but is still very sensitive. However, children's skin is still thinner and has less pigmentation than adult skin. Because these self-protection mechanisms are less developed, young skin is particularly sensitive to UV radiation. By the age of 12, the structure and function of a child's skin corresponds to that of an adult. Third, the teenage years. The hormonal changes of puberty can have dramatic effects on skin, particularly on the face, shoulders, chest and back. Increased sebum production and disturbed corneocyte shedding can lead to skin becoming oily and acne prone. This usually disappears as the teenager matures. Although for some, especially women, acne can go on into middle age and beyond. Fourth, 60s. Skin infection can increase with age due to a reduced immune function. During your 60s, the skin's natural ability to produce lipids decreases, which, along with the continued decline in hyaluronic acid and collagen production, results in dryness, dehydration and deep wrinkles. Skin regeneration slows down and it becomes increasingly thin, resulting in a loss of elasticity. Wound healing is also impaired. UV sensitivity increases and skin is prone to hyperpigmentation, for example age spots. From the late 70s onwards, skin's immune function has reduced, making it more susceptible to infection. Now, we'll talk about rejuvenating set. First, what is skin rejuvenating set? A skin rejuvenating set is a set of skincare products that work creatively together. They treat skin concerns such as dark skin, acne, pimples, dark spots, discoloration and hyperpigmentation. You can find in our website, rejuvenatingsets.com, several brands of rejuvenating sets, such as, Rejuvenating Sets by Dr. Alvin, Skin Magical Rejuvenating Sets, Brilliant Rejuvenating Sets. Moreover, Fairy Skin Derma Sets, Skin Perfection Rejuvenating Sets and more. Second, what products does Skin Rejuvenating Set contain? In most cases, rejuvenating sets contain 4 products, which are Whitening Micro-Peeling Soap, for micro-peeling and cleansing. Rejuvenating Toner, for deep cleansing and exfoliating dead skin. Rejuvenating Cream, for whitening and moisturizing. Sunblock Cream, to protect skin against harmful sun rays and heat especially throughout the treatment process. Third, what does Skin Rejuvenating Set do to your skin? 1. Peeling, definitely expect some skin peeling. Skin peeling gets rid of dull, damaged skin, to make room for new smoother skin to grow. 2. Redness, Many people complain about extreme redness. It is a lot like a chemical peel, hence, peeling and redness are very common to happen. 3. Skin staining, while applying rejuvenating toner and cream. 4. Breakouts. Rejuvenating facial set will cause some acne to come out during the first few weeks. This is because it is going deep inside the pores to take underlying impurities out. Once the acne surfaces, rejuvenating facial toner and bleaching cream will dry them up pretty quickly. Keep using the set on your pimples. Do not stop. If you stop when pimples surface, you will find that they will stay visible on your skin longer than if you continue to use. In conclusion, now, after all what is mentioned above, considering the skin characteristics and changes in each age, in addition to how rejuvenating set treats skin, you are supposed to know why 13 is the right age for using rejuvenating set safely.